Hello my friends, my name is Mohammed Naveed, and in this lecture I am going to teach you SumIF and SumIFs function or formula in MS Excel. First we will learn SumIF. For example, I am working in a shop and my boss said me that Naveed, tell me that how much Naveed earned. As you can see that here we have the list. The first is in the first column we have salesman, second item, and third is amount. So he's saying me that Naveed, tell me that how much Naveed earned. Definitely he's a salesman. He's a salesman. So definitely, as you can see, the Naveed, definitely Naveed and Naveed. So definitely Naveed earned 400 plus 45 plus 12. Definitely this is the total. So in order to get this answer, what will I use? I will use SumIF function. How? See, as you know, in order to start any formula, we use is equals to. So definitely is equals to. Then definitely the name of the function or formula, definitely here we have SumIF. Then we will give the range. So definitely this is the name range. Then comma, and then we select this cell because here we will type the name. Then comma, and definitely we want the total. So definitely total definitely will come from the amount. So definitely I will select this you can say amount range and definitely column, and I say enter. Now it's giving me 0, means no error. So in order to see this formula, what will I do? I will use Naveed name, and as you can see that now it's giving me the total of Naveed, because when Naveed came first time, definitely he earned 100, then 45, and definitely 12. So definitely if you plus 100 plus 45 plus 12, so the answer is 157. Getting me? So this is a way to get the total of one person. Getting me? After giving this total, definitely to my boss said me, Naveed, tell me, okay, you are saying that the total of Naveed, but now I want the total of Naveed. Okay, I do want the total of Naveed, but I want to see that how much Naveed earned in soap. So what will I use? I will use SumIF function. But before we go to a SumIF function, I just want to tell you that how did I use this function, SumIF function. As you know, in order to start any formula, we have to use is equals to. Then the name of the function, definitely here we have SumIF. Definitely when we open the bracket, and then we will definitely give the name range, then comma, and definitely then we select this cell, then comma, and then we will give the amount range. Getting me? Now we are going to use SumIF function. How? See, is equals to, because as you know, in order to start any formula, we have to use is equals to. Then definitely SumIF. Then we will give sum range, means the amount range, definitely sum range. So definitely we select this range, then comma, and then we will give the salesman range, then comma, then we select this range, this cell, then we will give item range, and then the last we will select this cell. If you are not getting, don't condition. Okay, and if I say enter, now it's giving me 0, means no error. Now what will I use? I use name Naveed, and now I just want to get the total of Naveed. Okay, I do want to take the total of Naveed, but I want to know the how much Naveed earned just in soap. So definitely after Naveed I will say soap. So now as you can see that now it's giving me the total of soap. Definitely it's not giving me the total of all Naveed. Now it's just giving me the total of just soap. That is soap definitely 100, and if we plus 100 plus 45, so definitely here we have 145. Getting me? Is not getting soap. If I just want to take the total of soap, I will say shampoo. So definitely now it's giving me just total of shampoo. Getting me? So what I did, definitely as you know, in order to start any formula, we have to use is equals to. Then the name of the function SumIFs. Then definitely we gave the amount range, then comma, and then we gave the salesman range, then comma, and definitely we select the cell because here we will type the name, then comma, and definitely then we gave the item range, and then comma, definitely here we type the item, definitely we selected this cell, and they say enter. Now it's giving me the total of you can say Naveed shampoo. So in this lecture, what did we learn? We learned SumIF and SumIF function. I hope you have understood. For more videos, lecture and exercises, come to my website www.naveedplace.com. Allah Hafiz, and I will meet you in a next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.